Hello guys, you can see here that I've moved my stop loss to break even because I don't want this winning trade on a fresh 50k account turn into a losing trade. So I put my stop loss to break even. I don't care if I get stopped out, we go again, and I'm not risking losing any money. I can't. So currently just pushing up, but let's see what happens. Alright guys, price pushing up above the line, currently SFPing. It's kind of a red flag, so I'm gonna move my stop loss to below this low. Price wants to reject all the way, then obviously we're going lower. However, price starts moving up, then we good. But looks like price wants to come back down. However, I am not a genie with a crystal ball, so price can either reject or we can actually get a successful break up to my full TP at 3.5 RR at this larger 382 level, this red line here. You can see 382. But yeah, protected my position. Got my stop loss under that low, so start moving down, watch me get stopped out. I'll be happy. Probably going to break out and come all the way to claim these highs, possibly as high as the 618. We'll see what happens though. This being a 1, 2, 3. Let's see if we can hit that 1 to 2. But yeah, gonna eat the steak now and go bed. And as you can see, guys, we have breezed past the 1 to 2, hitting as high as the 2.618 in confluence with the 618 retracement. So that's a double 618 confluence. It's just beautiful. Also claiming this high. You can see we have this bump and run pattern connecting that high to that high. And for you guys who don't know what a bump and run is and is wondering what the hell I'm talking about, you can see here it's basically a textbook chart pattern where price kind of consolidates a bit and then dumps all of a sudden. You can see so what happened here, consolidation, and then a dump. And then after the dump, we started moving up back to that trend line. Dump, started moving up back to the trend line. Once we broke out, we retested it, and then we were off to claim the high. And here you can see once we broke out, retest, well, not really a retest, but you can see we came out to claim the high. Here's a good one. You got the bump, run, breakout, claim the high. So yeah, you kind of get the idea. So yeah, I thought I'd just show you guys quick. As you can see, we broke out of it, retested it lovely, and then we're off to the races. In one move, we hit a 1 to 5, 1 to 7, 1 to 5.75 in just 3 hours. 1 to 5 in 3 hours, that would have been 2.5k in 3 hours. But yeah, man, a pretty solid Friday morning bump and run pattern. Got the dump straight away. You could literally have gotten in and out of this trade, waited an hour or half an hour to then start seeing that we're getting the rejection down. But that's just taking the mic. But yeah, man, in conclusion, we hit that 2.618, and this is what the chart should be looking like every time I trade. Nice, simple, one Fibonacci, one trend line, one fib extension. Got to do today. Simple chart, none of that messy chart in the previous clip. Come on, get your shit together. Clean chart, easy trades. Let's go.